Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to talk about the Samsung Galaxy C5. And Samsung launched this phone in 2016 and it is a very popular phone in Pakistan market. This phone is costing around $200 in use. So in this video I am talking about it is still worth in 2018 because this year phones comes with a infinity display. So let's talk about the first we have the design language, and you can see this phone comes with a full metal body with a 16 megapixel back camera with dual tone LED flash. Some Samsung branding and antenna bands is going around all the way up and down, and bottom is having a micro USB port, speaker, headphone jack. On the right it is having a SIM tray. You can use one SIM card with one micro SD card at the same time. It is a hybrid SIM slot with a power key is on the right, and you can see the camera bump is also here in this phone, and it is a upgrade version of the C5 Pro. Not comes with a camera bump. On the left he's having a volume up and volume down rocker, and overall I have to say phones looks very beautiful, I have to say, and feels very light, I have to say. Let's talk about the display, and you can see it is a 5.2 inch full HD Super AMOLED display. It is the best display in my opinion, and you can see it looks amazing, and you can see outdoor conditions. You can see looks very beautiful, and you can see and phones looks very amazing. On the front is having a 8 megapixel camera with a some sensor. And let's talk about the software, and this phone comes with a Android 8, not comes with a Oreo. It is a 7. Nougat with Samsung Experience 8.1 UI, and you can see this phone is also giving you a note features like the secure folder, blue light filter, as well as some more features like the always on display is not here. And the upgrade version C5 Pro 2017 comes with a always on display, and this one is also giving you a some feature. Let's go to the advanced feature, and you can see this one is not comes with a dual messenger feature. That very bad because some people like this feature. And it is a 64 GB internal storage with 4 GB RAM. Another variant comes with a 32 GB internal storage with 4 GB RAM. Let's show you, and you can see it is 64 GB storage out of about 53.2 GB is available, 4 GB RAM, and overall I have to say phone's very beautiful, very light, and good display, good software experience. $200 this phone is giving you a very awesome experience, and you can see it is the experience you can swipe up to go to your app drawer. And let's talk about the camera, and it is a 16 megapixel back camera with f1.9 aperture and 8 megapixel on the front with f1.9 aperture. This phone is also giving you a recording size up to 1080p, not 4K anything like that. And this one is also giving you some features like auto night HDR, some more features for like that. And let's show you some camera samples. And you can see the camera quality is very good in a back as well as a front camera. Let's talk about the battery life of this phone, and this phone comes with a 2600 mAh battery size with support a fast charging. This phone is charged about 1 hour and 40 minutes. This phone is giving you a 1 day battery life without any problem. You can charge this phone in 1 day about one time. This phone is giving you a 1 day battery life without any problem. One thing you can notice is it is a old aspect ratio. The upgrade version C5 Pro comes with a infinity display from Samsung. This one is also giving you a fingerprint scanner is on the front. It is a Samsung old aspect ratio with comes a fingerprint scanner on the front. Internals of this phone comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 626 processor with 4 GB RAM. Should be enough to handle very big games and application at the same time. And performance wise it is very good. I play a game on this phone like the Asphalt 8 or 9. This one is easily handle this game on a medium settings, and sometimes this one is lag, but it's okay. Overall I have to say this one is very good for you, about $200. So thank you so much for watching this a review of this phone, Samsung Galaxy C5 in a 2018. It is still worth it. In my opinion, it is still worth it because $200 this phone is giving you an awesome experience. Samsung Xperia 8.1 UI, Full HD Super AMOLED display. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.